And school districts are working to keep COVID-19 out of their buildings and keep students in.
WMD's Demetrius Sanders shows us how local districts are dealing with the coronavirus weeks into the new school year. Demetrius.
Well, Shelby, Mark, school leaders I spoke with shared a mixed reaction as to where their districts stand as they continue to fight the coronavirus. But they say with new tools and resources, they are hopeful for the future.
In March, Peoria Public Schools returned to full in-person learning after COVID-19 kept students out of the classroom for months. 5 weeks into this school year, staff say things are looking up.
We're in a much better place as a district, and I think a lot of people would frankly agree with that as far as it is with COVID.
The district's director of public relations says compared to March, COVID-19 cases within PPS are down. He cites fewer educational disruptions due to factors like a shift in COVID-19 distancing guidelines and the availability of vaccines.
It's just a lot easier, a lot more efficient, a lot more cohesive when kids are able to stay in the classroom.
At District 87 in Bloomington, Superintendent Barry Riley says by this point in time, staff hoped for a little more normalcy.
We've continued with COVID cases. We've continued with quarantines of students and staff as well. And that creates some disruption.
But he says there have been some encouraging signs lately.
We're starting to see a little bit of a decline in the last week or two. That's good. Let's hope that that holds true.
His district looking to utilize the Test to Stay option, the program allowing districts to test students exposed to COVID-19 on site.
We believe that once we can get that rolling, that will drastically reduce the number of kids that have to quarantine.
And by the beginning of 2022, he hopes what most know as a normal school year will be closer to a reality.
I think that the things that we are putting in place will help us to get there, but we're hoping that we'll get there very, very soon.
Now, Riley says about half of eligible students have been vaccinated. Brooks says PPS hasn't compiled that data, but there has been less cases in the age group that can receive the vaccine. And both tell me they are also keeping an eye on if there will be authorization for younger children. Shelby?